told you now. For real. Hey, look. Real, man. I told y'all now. Can't tell you where I'm at, right? For real. Got this old low-key hog motherfucker. For real, man. For real. Got this old hog motherfucker. Real, man. Look, right? I told y'all the part too. Been had these things part, right? I can't make sure my neighbors and nobody out. Yeah, we got these things going in. Motherfucker. Oh, it set me up for real. Real, man. I told y'all. Okay. Been had, bitch. Oh, for real. Come through, I'm gonna pull you over. Low key. Flex on you. Flip my light, I'm telling you. Real motherfucker. Don't show no badge now. Can let you know where I'm at.
Ooh, they got that screen in that thing. Well, she got like bullshit.
Beating on it. Yes. 9 right here. Beating on it. Loud. These niggas flexing. Tell them start to flexing. Yeah, man. Been had my own motherfucking police car hid in the garage, right? Can't let nobody know I got this motherfucker. I swear I killed one of y'all niggas, man. Real, man. Got my own shit, man. Shit. Always local. Get out my way when I come through. My own shit. Real, man. Can't let you know where I'm at, though. I pull it out of the garage time to time. For real shit. Think I'm playing. For real. Put your ass in here, boy. You fucked up right here. Yeah. Radio and all. Yeah. Still intact. Nobody know. I pull you over when I come through. Yeah. Real, nigga. Clean. Can't tell you where I got it from. Can me come through your hood, I pull your ass over. Tell me you speeding, yeah. Fuck you up. I got everything on my car. Car's for real. See how I get down. Yeah.